what is the first question? What I am going to know? Then how I am going to know? Okay, usually procedural knowledge is good that the cognitive embodied abilities like the ability to drive a car. But the problem solving abilities are procedural knowledge too. So in order to know that how to do that cycling. But something happened to you, if you fall down and something happened to the cycle, you should also have the capacity to understand what made need to fall down, what made this cycle get damaged, and you should also have the ability to understand where what is going wrong. Okay, so one is called process and next one is product. So product is fine, but you should understand the process. This is how the thinking process is taking place in the mind of the children. This process is making place to understand the outcome of the product. Okay, 40 मिनट बच्चा आपके क्लास में बैठता 40 मिनट के बाद उसका थोड़ा फर्क होना चाहिए, सोचने में फर्क होना चाहिए. तो उस फर्क को आप किस प्रकार आप कैसे समझते हैं और कैसे आप समझाते हैं. Okay, you understand. Skills for observation. The classroom you should develop the skill of observation. This observation skill is going to help when the child starts learning on his own. Not that the teacher के ऊपर ही निर्भर करना. Self-reliant we have to make. So this we have to develop this observing skill and experimentation are central to building distinctive scientific knowledge for the student. To attain a capacity or a skill, the ability needs to be consistent and repeatable.